So you know Gogo is coming, right? So I decided that let's make her something special.
She likes it Dombolo.
Yeah, Dombolo. She used to make a mean Dombolo back in the day. So let's make her something special.
It's so nice to see you two guys cooking. I'm so happy.
Thank you, man. We've been wanting to cook for you together with Katzo, and I think today is a perfect, moment for that. But I'm gonna start with Dombolo. Katzo, you're gonna help me, ne? When I say when, you're gonna add the water. So I'm just gonna mix in all the dry ingredients. So we're starting with the flour. So we go in with the sugar, all the dry ingredients, and the salt, and the anchor yeast. Remember that block yeast that we used to use?
We used to break it.
Yeah.
Use the whole brew.
But so it came in as a cube like that. You need to know how much of it to take. So it's a live yeast. So and we kept it. We didn't have a fridge also back in the day. Katzo, can you get the dish so we can grease it? And then we're gonna put it where it's warm to proof, for about between 30 and 45 minutes. Nice and sweet so we can see the yeast working. So Katzo, if you can take this and put it next to the stove that side, it's nice and warm there. Thank you. It's been a pleasure learning from you. And now I want Katzo to do the same. Oh, hey!
Oh, look at
And yo, it's risen nicely, right? Yeah, the dough. It shows so much work went into this, but it's also all the love. Let's dump it in here. And it's been great cooking for Gogo, ne?
Yes, it has.
And it is nice.
Yeah.
Wow.
Nice.
Me, please.
Wow! And that secret ingredient that gives you all of these wonderful flavors is Bovril.
Wow.
Yeah.
Hey.